We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro GrandStand with the 52-inch cutting deck. This mower does have a 52-inch cutting deck. It is 7-gauge steel with the turbo force cutting deck with the bullnose bumper. It has a 25 horsepower Kohler Command EFI engine. Battery is housed here. It does come with greasable aluminum spindles. For your fuel tank, it is a 10.5 gallon fuel tank. This does also feature Unitized pump and wheel motors. This does have your padded thigh pad. Here we have your stand. Okay, we have your controls, everything here. Cutting height adjustment is located on the side for cutting heights between 1.5 inches and 5 inches. This does also have a rubber chute. Once again, this is the Toro GrandStand with a 52-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.